So what you do is, pro tip, when you have an Mohan Lal, you take the edges, you break the sunny side up and you dip it in like this. You know, like you see it in a shakshuka or anything. Yeah, that's it. You want that. You want that porn. Hi, my name is Rohit Cheyaden. I'm a chef and owner at Adipoli. Adipoli is a restaurant in Kalyan on the outskirts of Bombay, where we are majorly inspired from the state of Kerala, and personally my trips and my food excursions across the world, all condensed into a restaurant in our cuisine. Today we're going to be making a quintessential Kerala bread called as Appams. Adipoli in Malayalam means awesome. So my grandfather, who was an amazing Epicurean, his life revolved around food, and whenever he ate really good food, he used to say, "Ida Adipoliano," which means in Malayalam, this is awesome. So whenever I have guests or anyone who comes into my restaurant, I want them to feel Adipoli or awesome. So Appam are these lacy, fluffy breads that we make. It has a batter. You will get something called as an Appam podi in any Kerala store, or if you go to Matunga, you can just buy it off the shelf. You've got your instructions just behind it. Just mix some water, and it's almost like a dosa, but not a dosa. It's a bit more sweeter. It's fermented, and should be runny like this. That's it. What we're going to use, how it is different from a dosa, is that we use an Appam chetti, which is the lid and something of this sort. And simple. You just take one ladle of Appam batter and put it into a hot chetti of sorts. And what we do is, this is the magic part, you swirl all the way across. I graduated from IHM Mumbai, worked with a couple of restaurants in Bombay, and then I went to do my diploma in cuisine from LCB in Sydney. That's where I got all of my exposure. Worked in a couple of restaurants over there. Majorly this restaurant called as Mr. Wong's. It was a two-hearted restaurant. Sydney, in my opinion, has got some of the best food in the world, hands down. And so I always see myself as comparing any food scene with Sydney. So what you do is you grow across the edges this way, and don't worry, just so that's it. It's hot. Yep. So what happens is the edges are crispy, and this is still fluffed up like an idli. So you get, if you think of it, you get an idli as well as a dosa in one dish. Adipoli food is food inspired from my home, my personal home, my mom's and my grandmom's recipes. So even the inji puli that we have, or be the manga puli sherry or the pachadis that we make, are solely what my mom and my grandmom make. Simple as that. And for me, that is the reference into Kerala food. And that's what we try to do over here. It was a busy Saturday night service. We were really busy, and after service, I was really hungry, and we had appams being made, and I thought, why not throw an egg into it and some cheese. That's it. And that is how our Adipoli specialty, the Mohan Lal, was born. Mohan Lal happens to be my favorite Malayalam movie actor, and I wanted everyone to taste Mohan Lal. So you break a sunny side up egg, right in between. There you go. You take an Amul cheese. I don't use mozzarella, cheddar or something, because Amul is the best, to be honest. You can't beat Amul, right? So you just shred around it. What you can do is, after you're done with that, you can just push the cheese a bit behind so you can see the yolk right there. You still want it runny. You take in some salt, very important to season your food. Some black pepper. We get our black pepper from this place in Tekadi. It's export quality. You don't get it on retail. And we've also tried using black pepper with white chocolate, which was on one of our desserts at Adipoli. Some chili flakes for that extra kick. Oops, and then you just cover it. You wait. So I was born and raised in Kalyan. I wanted to give back to the place in Kalyan, and because there's a lot of eateries that do Kerala food in Bombay, but I don't think they do it justice. You know, it's all blue-collared places, and I love those places as well. I love Hotel Sunny, Deluxe, Taste of Kerala, but I didn't see anyone doing it at a level where it was casual dining. And this place is not only for the Malayalis, but for the non-Malayalis as well. It's an introduction into what Kerala food is. It's more than idlis and dosas. So that's why Adipoli, and that's why in Kalyan, because it's like the whole no one believes you're a prophet in your own town kind of a thing. And when you come down this road in Kalyan, you don't expect a restaurant like this. I like the irony. It's not done yet. I like the irony behind dining at Kalyan. So when someone comes over here, they don't feel they're in Kalyan at all. Well, you want that bubbly, see that? You want that runny. It's like a cheese burst. Yeah, be careful because you don't want any of that molten stuff on your hand. Jesus help. Yeah. No. There you go. Yeah, you see that? It's pretty kick-ass. Yeah. I hope you have fun while watching this. I hope you make the Mohan Lal at your homes. It's pretty easy, right? You can follow us at @IamAdipoli on Instagram. Shoot me a DM, maybe I'll send you my recipes, and we can all eat Kerala food. Come over to Kalyan. I know it's a bit far from Bombay, but trust me, I'll make it worth it for you. Go Adipoli. Every time I eat it, it goes like...